For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
There's some trouble in store for veteran Congress leader Ahmed Patel. An enforcement directorate team is at Ahmed Patel's Delhi residence. The enforcement directorate is grilling him in a money laundering case. The case involves Sterling Biotech Limited, a company promoted by the absconding Sandesara brothers. The brothers, Nitin and Chetan, are allegedly hiding in Nigeria. Indian agencies are trying to extradite them. The Enforcement Directorate will record Ahmed Patel's statement regarding the case. His statement will be recorded under the Prevention of Money Laundering Act. Ahmed Patel was summoned for questioning in this regard. Ahmed Patel had cited COVID-19 guidelines and expressed his inability to visit the ED. The Enforcement Directorate had agreed to his request and sent an investigative officer to his residence. COVID-19 guidelines advise those above 65 years to stay home to protect themselves. Sterling Biotech is accused of taking loans of over 5,000 crore rupees. Sterling Biotech is a Gujarat-based pharmaceutical company. The loan was taken from a consortium led by Andhra Bank, which had turned into non-performing assets. The total volume of the alleged loan defraud is pegged at 8,100 crore rupees. The Enforcement Directorate had attached properties worth 9,778 crore rupees of Sterling Biotech. The ED had also questioned Ahmed Patel's son and son-in-law in connection with the bank fraud. A witness in the case had informed the Enforcement Directorate about Chetan Sandesara's proximity to Ahmed Patel, his son and son-in-law. The witness has informed the ED about alleged money dealings between Chetan Sandesara and Patel's son-in-law. The witness informed that Chetan carried huge amounts of cash in bags to Ahmed Patel's son-in-law Siddiqui's house in Vasant Vihar. The CBI also carried out searches at the premises linked to Ratul Puri. Ratul Puri is the nephew of former Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath. The searches were carried out in connection with a fresh FIR registered against him. Ratul Puri is accused of cheating a consortium of banks led by Punjab National Bank. The loan is pegged at a whopping 787 crore rupees. CBI teams conducted searches at several buildings in Delhi and Noida wearing PPE kits.